Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
Dignity leader urges president to prevent appointment of new defense minister. Dignity leader Stoyan Changelov has called on President Georgy Ivanov, as Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, to do everything within his power in accordance with the Constitution and the laws, and to use his full authority to prevent the appointment of Talat Jaferi as defense minister, which Changelov said was a national disaster. We also call on the domestic scientific and expert public, led by the Macedonian Academy of Sciences and Arts, to exert strong pressure for the withdrawal of this shameful choice, which is one of the biggest humiliations of the Macedonian people in the newer history of Macedonia. We are making this appeal on behalf of all Macedonian defenders of 2001 because none of us justifies PM Nikola Gruevski's action. Even the several representatives of associations of defenders formed or close to DPMNE are appalled by this action of the DPMNE president and fully support our demands, Angelov said.